This video is a continuation of the TRT Excel BOM Generation 2 training series. In this video, we're going to introduce the newly released pricing feature as well as the capability to allow customer to customize the quantity of your final purchase order. In the newly added price sheet, you can enter MSRP price and you negotiate a discount price with TRT on this sheet to help you calculate the final BOM cost. In the BOM output sheet, we're going to use the TRT02 BOM output sheet as an example. The price sheet input will be copied over to these two columns, and it helps you to calculate the final BOM cost based on your order selections. The quantity column is based on your actual design, and the corresponding component price is calculated in column I and is summed at the bottom of the table. We added two customer selectable columns to ease your final PO. If you have some inventory left and you do not want to order the exact designed quantity, you can manually change the quantity you would like to order in this column. And you can also use this column to order the parts in case or box to have some inventory in stock for the future. For example, for the rail, you have one in your stock. Instead of ordering 14, which is the project calculated quantity, you can reduce by 1 to make it 13. It'll recalculate the pricing for you. And for the slice, you may want to order some spare ones. You can change the quantity to 60, which is the box number. Enter, and the corresponding price will be recalculated in K column. And it's going to sum at the bottom for you. One additional option for you is, since you have plenty of stock in the particular parts, and you can select, I will not order anything this time. You can actually select no to customize your PO based on your inventory. And it will summarize at the bottom as well. So you can see we added a lot of flexibility to help you purchase the actual parts you need. This concludes the BOM 2 pricing and the PO customization features. Thank you for watching.